What up, YouTube? AR Platinum. Box 2, Topps Letterman. Doing this as fast as possible. If you're asking me why I don't just wait until I get better lighting, well, it's because I need to get this done so I can get this sorted and shipped out. Everything has been delayed. I'm doing this as fast as possible. Mini box number 1. We got a certified logo patch of Raymond Felton. Again, that's the second one of those I've gotten. That's an auto, by the way. That goes to the Bobcats. Oh, we got a fold out. Good deal. Gotta love getting fold outs. So this should be just a patch, and it is Wilt Chamberlain for the 76ers. Now here's what everybody wants to see. Come on, battery, don't die. For the Pistons, Chauncey Billups. I'm not going to fold it all out, but that is numbered 16 of 19.